from sunny Greece, and this is Savi from windy Denmark. And we are very happy to present you our product, that is a desktop application. Our product is called Thunder Alert, and it's all about increasing the reaction speed of the public health services, of the emergency ambulances in Riga. It's all about health, our health. So, how we are achieving this? We are collecting data from applications like Waze, which are recording the situation on roads, and we are using the database of everyday traffic and accidents on the roads that's produced by real users. On the next step, we are analyzing the data to find where is the most dangerous roads, comparing to the locations of the hospitals in Riga, and finding if there is a need of connection key spot that will host an ambulance on alert. So it's going to be closer the ambulance and it's going to be more effective. The application is installed on an onboard computer which is situated right near to the built-in GPS navigator of the ambulance car. So all the vehicles are able to have communication with each other, all the ambulances, and with the emergency centers of the hospitals in Riga, with the base from where they are taking their orders. Each ambulance have a GPS tracker which shows position on the interactive map that is hosted on all the other ambulances and hospital bases. So everything is like shared and everything is working. This way, it's easier for the ambulances and hospitals to know each other's exact positions. Our application is also able to search detailed locations by typing into the search bar the location or the exact coordinates. Our main customer is the public health service. In the mostly countries it's the government that's hosting this feature. And we managed to contact with one of the biggest hospitals in Athens, in Greece, and they were interested in this software. If required, the system concept can be repurposed for different services, wherever they need it, and in any country they need it. Like fighting services, for example in Greece we are very on alert, especially in the summer, about fires. They are very dangerous, and all the Greeks know that they have kind of key spots where they are just on alert near to the forests and to other places. And it can be also used at police monitoring and tow car services. So let me conclude by saying that our health is our #1 priority, and our service improves and the speed of the effectiveness and the intervention, and the results of these improvements are many saved lives. Thank you for your attention, and we are very happy to reply to any of your questions.